Hey everyone, welcome back. In this section we're going to be adding real numbers. So let's see what that looks like. In the last chapter we had a problem like this where we had 2 plus negative 5. What that means is that since we always start at 0, we went 2 to the right because positive numbers go to the right, and then we went 5 to the left because negative numbers go to the left. And that's how we ended up here at negative 3. We showed some blocks, 2 black blocks plus 5 red blocks. 2 plus negative 2 is 0. You can also see that because if you go 2 steps to the right and 2 steps to the left, that's when you get right back to 0. And when those go away, what was left was 3 extra steps to the left, or 3 red blocks. Alright, that was last chapter. Here's this chapter. What if I have decimals instead of having nice, regular, neat numbers? Well, in this situation, once again, I want to go 2.7 to the right, and then 3.4 to the left. And I end up right here at negative 0.7. Now it's not quite as intuitive as the previous problem, but we realize that we are still going to the right for positive, to the left for negative. When we go in opposite directions, we are taking away 2.7 from the 3.4, and 2.7 minus 3.4 would get you your 0.7. Since there were more, the negative line was longer, the line to the left was longer, that's why the answer is negative. All right, let's show you another one. What if I had negative 3 plus negative 5? Well, once again, we start at 0, and it means 3 to the left and 5 more to the left. Gets us right here to negative 8. If we have the blocks, we can just count them up. They're all the exact same thing, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 negatives. Once again, what happens if we don't have nice, neat, whole integers? What if I have negative 1 2/5 plus 4/5? Well, you have to concentrate a little bit more, but it's the same theory. Notice I always start at 0. I want to go 1 2/5 to the left, and I want to go another 4/5 to the left. And notice I end up right here at negative 2 and 1/5. Check out this picture. I have 1.5 to the right and negative 2.3 to the left, or excuse me, 1.5 to the right and 2.3 to the left. Negative means we go to the left. So in this situation, would I add these numbers together or would I subtract them? That's what you have to know. And the truth is we're going to subtract them. That's why we end up here at negative 0.8. Notice we're on the negative side of the number line and we're 0.8 steps away from 0. And that's why the answer would be negative 0.8. All right, we're going to do lots more practice in the next section on this, so feel free to watch that as well. And if we're working with your kids, just remember to just focus, pay attention, and may want to slow down a little bit on these to avoid the little mistakes. Thanks, everyone. I'll talk to you soon. Email me if you have any questions.